One of the most common questions asked by a home buyer is, which neighborhoods are safe? It comes as no surprise to hear this question so much. So let's see what tools are available to help buyers get some answers. Hello everyone, I'm so grateful to have your company. This is Meral Ibrahim, broker associate with Coldwell Banker in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. I've lived here for 40 years as a transplant from London, and I'm passionate about Wellington and the surrounding areas. Come join me to discover everything about communities, lifestyles, and some real estate. If you're thinking about relocating to the Palm Beaches or retiring in the Palm Beaches, then this channel is for you. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing by hitting that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring that bell. This way you'll be notified every time I make a new video. Buying a home is a big step, especially if you're relocating or retiring to a new area. You probably have hundreds of questions about the houses you see, the neighborhoods you visit, and the process of buying a home. Your realtor is more than happy to answer those questions and make the journey as smooth as possible. But when it comes to questions about safety, your agent cannot legally answer those questions because we are bound by a code of ethics and the Fair Housing Act, which means some things are off limits. As a buyer, be aware of a realtor's limitations to answer this question about safe neighborhoods. But that doesn't mean you can't do your own research, explore, and make your own assessments. Everyone's assessment of safety varies, and everyone's tolerance for crime is different. Plus, who's to say that even in a safe neighborhood, crime won't jump up next week or next month? So that's why in this video, I want to show you which tools you can utilize to make your own determination about the safety factor of a neighborhood and not rely on a realtor's opinion. Thanks to technology, these answers to safety and crime questions can be found online. In fact, one of the leading real estate websites, realtor.com, has a crime search feature that allows you to put a certain city you're thinking about moving to in the search bar, and then just select any home that comes up. You will then see a map show up with a crime button that you can select as your search criteria. When you do click on the map, you will see differing grades of shaded area show up on the map. The deeper the shade, the higher the rate of crime. And you'll see a shade bar on the map that you can compare the shades on the map to. This is just one tool that you can use to get started in your research. Other sites that you can go to for additional data in the Palm Beaches is Florida Department of Law Enforcement, CrimeStoppersPBC.com, and PBSO.org. That's the Palm Beach Sheriff's Office. There you will get more details and maps. So let me show you an example on the PBSO.org site, the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. So go to PBSO.org, then How Do I? Then See Crime in My Area. Here you can use these various filters to customize your search. So you have what type of crime, when the crimes occurred, and you can also put an address at the top and click on the summary to see the findings on the map. You can also put in a particular address in the search bar or a zip code. The other concern for families moving to a new area is the sexual offenders and predators question. To get answers to this question, you can go to the sexual offender site. This is the Florida Department of Law Enforcement Sexual Offenders and Predators search site. Here, you can search by address to see where sexual offenders and predators live in relation to that address. I have provided links to all the websites I mentioned in this video below. So if neighborhood safety is of concern to you, please do your research and take advantage of these crime mapping websites. Look, we realtors understand the significance of these questions about safety. We want to provide a pathway to the answers. This research, along with visits to local areas at different times of the day, going shopping and dining and connecting with people who are locals, are all part of your detective work. Floridians are known to be friendly, and they will be happy to chat with you about their experience of living in the neighborhood. If you're moving with children, find a park where you can meet other parents and ask them questions. You will be surprised at how candid people are when it comes to talking about their neighborhood. You can find local social media sites where residents post anything they observe to be suspicious for fellow neighbors to be made aware of. And sometimes just a tour of the neighborhood can give you a sense of overall safety by the way a neighborhood is kept up. The bottom line is this: you need to be your own detective when it comes to the subject of safe neighborhood. So I hope you found this video helpful, and please take advantage of the links below. If you have any questions about moving to the Palm Beaches, leave a comment below and I will do my best to answer as many questions as I can. And consider subscribing to this channel if you want to find out more about living in the Palm Beaches, communities, and real estate in general. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.